He's the next big thing.
He's been a dominant force around the world.
He's a future world champion.
He's can't miss.
He's the main event. He's a lock. He's a lock.
He's a lock.
He's a lock.
He's a lock. I am the lock.
It's the man who might transform WWE forever, The Lock.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, accompanied by Queen Zelina from Naples, Italy, weighing in at 213 pounds. The WWE Intercontinental Champion, The Lock, Daniel Morales.
It's fight night!
And his opponent, representing the Brawling Brutes from Dublin, Ireland, weighing in at 267 pounds, the Celtic Warrior, Sheamus!
The WWE Universe is finally giving Sheamus his just due. Has won nearly every major title, has earned. With three of a kind in shambles, The Lock goes one-on-one against WWE's ultimate instigator, Sheamus.
You might want to check your math, Cole, because I count 1, 2, 3 superstars in Sheamus's corner.
And nobody with The Lock, who appears to be without his faction yet again. It's hard not to wonder if they might be the next faction to find themselves on shaky ground.
Ooh, well-planted knee.
Ouch. Very measured elbow drop.
Nice takedown. Momentum on the side of The Lock.
The power of Sheamus being suppressed.
He went right into that turnbuckle.
Big time move coming up. Shoulder breaker. He's looking a little off balance.
Yeah, but he's not breathing heavy yet.
Perched up top. Diving leg drop.
Very measured elbow drop. He's got the target acquired. Just a matter of moments.
And Sheamus can't seem to get out of harm's way.
The Lock isn't holding anything back.
Elbow lands hard.
Letting his opponent know he can take on the world right now.
Sheamus asking the WWE Universe, are you not entertained?
Here is your winner, The Lock, Daniel Morales.
Wrestle perhaps the perfect match. Never any doubt in this win.
This is what you get when you have complete confidence and control of the situation.
Smart move, teaming up with the Hurt Business. You look pretty suave in a suit. Hope taking on MVP's enemies is as good of a fit for you. Apollo Crews never completely buried the hatchet with MVP, and now that you're allies, he'll probably eventually take a run at you.
Apollo Crews looks ready for action here on Monday Night Raw.
Look out!
Apollo wasn't ready for this. The Lock's putting the Hurt in the Hurt Business.
And things backstage are getting quickly out of hand.
Oh, they're done playing nice. They've got some serious aggression that needs to be worked out, and this just might be the best way to do it.
He must have something planned as he climbs that long ladder.
Oh boy, climbing that ladder, and there's nothing good at the end of it.
Well, he did all his work getting up there. I hope he has a plan. Samoan drop.
Incredible.
And this backstage area is in danger of being torn apart if this continues any further.
Oh, say goodbye to our safety deposit, because I see no signs of things slowing down.
Hell, somebody get them out of there. They're going to fall over, for heaven's sake.
Oh, God.
Oh, I hope they have sure footing, or this could end.
Not allowing that to go on any longer.
Strong forearm.
Real European uppercut. Look at the arm for a Fujiwara armbar.
Fujiwara armbar applied. And these safety precautions in mind.
Say what you...
Oh, no! My gosh!
Get this under control!
Smartest decision he's made all night. Nothing good comes from fighting up there.
Straight punch.
Jar. Oh, no, not with the bat.
Home run. Quick thinking pays off.
Oh! Ooh, man.
It's deep, and I don't think it's playable.
Rear European uppercut.
Oh, the arm's trapped.
On a slam. Brings down his opponent, and here it is, Corey.
Looking for the label lock.
He let it go.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Otis and I are looking to add a new teaching assistant to the Alpha Academy, and you seem like you're struggling where you're at. How about a fresh new role with a hot new group?
How about I shoosh you up in the ring instead?
That's my thing, tough guy.
Yeah, and that's your only thing. Which is why I'm fine where I'm at. My offer for a match still stands, though.
I've got other business to attend to, but how about a match with my Alpha Academy associate, Otis?
Tell the big man I'm in.
You're on. Looking forward to seeing if you're half as tough as your words.
It's the Intercontinental Champion faces a grueling test tonight against one of the most physically imposing superstars in all of WWE, Otis.
Surprisingly, according to backstage rumors, the Intercontinental Champion actually wanted to join Otis as the newest member of Alpha Academy.
Gable confirmed those reports that revealed they've decided to go in a different, much better direction. His words. We'll have to find out exactly what that means.
He's lost some of his wind now. If he can hold the line here, he'll be in a good position.
Oh, chin-breaking uppercut.
Fujiwara armbar applied. Making the arm. Compromised position here. Outside.
I don't know what you're thinking when you throw an opponent out of the ring like that.
Standing drop kick.
Straight up. Just a nasty headbutt.
Stiff headbutt.
The #1 guy clearly has confidence, but might be using the wrong muscle here. Stay on him, Otis.
Oh, my goodness.
Down to Otis, and a double axe handle smash.
Steered clear of that. Rear European uppercut.
He's got to know he's in harm's way here.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now. Jarring European uppercut.
He's expressing pain now.
Yeah,
and here we go. Locked in. It's locked in. And here we go. Locked in. Crossover again.
Give up now. Swallow your pride and submit.
Just hang. He gives up. It's over. That's it. The lock gets the win.
Here is your winner, The Lock, Daniel Morales.
And he certainly proved himself a superstar to watch with this one.
you could just sense the intensity in the air throughout this one.
Yeah, this win was well earned.